You served our country. You faced challenges head-on. You've shown resilience, bravery, and an unwavering commitment to your mission. The skills you've honed in the military are invaluable. And now it's time to channel that same energy into a new venture. Now you're ready for a new mission. This mission is different, but it requires the same dedication and strategic thinking. It's about navigating the digital landscape, where opportunities are vast and the potential for success is limitless. Guess what? The digital world is your battlefield. Here, your tactical skills, your ability to adapt, and your problem-solving prowess will set you apart. The digital realm is dynamic and ever-changing, much like the environments you've thrived in before. And trust me, veterans are crushing it online. From launching successful e-commerce stores to becoming influential voices in social media, veterans are making their mark. They're leveraging their unique experiences to create impactful digital presences. You have the discipline, the strategy, and the grit to win in business. Your military training has equipped you with a mindset that's perfect for tackling the challenges of the digital marketplace. You know how to plan, execute, and achieve your objectives. Digital marketing lets you apply those skills in a whole new arena. It's about understanding your audience, crafting compelling messages, and using data to drive your decisions. The tools and platforms available today are powerful, and with your background, you can master them. It's about reaching people online, building a brand, and growing something amazing. Whether it's through social media, content creation, or digital advertising, you have the ability to connect with people on a global scale. Your story, your voice, and your vision can inspire and influence. This isn't just a job, it's about owning your future. It's about taking control and creating a path that's uniquely yours. The digital world offers endless possibilities, and you have the power to shape your destiny. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-blown business, digital marketing empowers you to call the shots. You can start small and scale up, or dive in headfirst and build something big. The choice is yours, and the tools are at your fingertips. Are you ready to become the CEO of your life? Let's go. Embrace this new mission with the same passion and determination that defined your military career. The digital world is waiting for you to make your mark. Let's get started and show the world what veterans can achieve online. Here's the thing. You already have what it takes to win in digital marketing. Remember the leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving skills you honed in the service? Those are gold in the online world. Planning a digital marketing campaign is like strategizing a mission. You analyze the landscape, identify your target, and execute flawlessly. You're built for this. And let's not forget about your adaptability. You've faced unexpected situations and come out on top. In the fast-paced digital world, that's a superpower. Digital marketing is about using online tools to connect with people. Think websites, social media, email, and more. It's about getting your message out there and building relationships with potential customers. Don't get overwhelmed by the jargon. It's simpler than it sounds. We'll break down the key areas: SEO, content creation, and social media. Once you understand these, you can choose the ones that get you fired up. Remember, you don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to be passionate about what you do. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Sounds complicated, right? It's just about making sure your website shows up when people search for things online. Think about it. When you need something, you Google it. With SEO, you make sure your business is the answer people find. That means more customers and more growth. You can learn this stuff. There are tons of resources available. And once you master it, you'll have a serious edge in the digital world. Section 5. Content is king. Tell your story. Content marketing is all about creating valuable stuff that people actually want to read, watch, or listen to. Blogs, videos, podcasts. It's all content. This is where your personal experience shines. Share your story, your insights, your unique perspective. People connect with authenticity. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Your voice matters. And the more value you provide, the more people will pay attention. Section 6. Social media, connect and conquer. You know how to build connections and rally a team. Now take those skills online. Social media is your platform to engage, inspire, and grow your tribe. Find the platforms where your audience hangs out. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. The possibilities are endless. Share your story, your values, and your passion. Be real, be consistent, and be social. Engage with your followers, answer their questions, and build relationships. This is how you create a loyal community around your brand. Section 7. Why digital marketing is perfect for veterans. Digital marketing is all about strategy, execution, and adaptability. Sound familiar? These are skills you've honed in the service. You're already ahead of the game. Plus, it offers the flexibility and freedom you deserve. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Digital marketing empowers you to control your destiny. And let's not forget the incredible community. There are tons of resources, groups, and mentors specifically for veterans in the digital space. You're not alone in this journey. Section 8. Veterans who became digital superstars. In this section, we delve into the incredible journeys of veterans who have transitioned from military service to becoming digital superstars. These individuals have not only served their country with honor, but have also made significant strides in the digital world, proving that the skills and discipline acquired in the military can be a powerful asset in the business arena. Don't just take my word for it. The stories of these veterans are a testament to their resilience and adaptability. They have embraced the digital age with open arms, leveraging technology to create successful businesses and make a positive impact on their communities. Look at veterans like Leo Fontes, founder of Warrior Rising, a nonprofit that helps veterans start businesses. Leo's journey from the battlefield to the boardroom is nothing short of inspiring. He has used his leadership skills and strategic thinking to empower other veterans, providing them with the tools and resources they need to succeed in the business world. Or Michelle Asanzi, who launched a successful digital marketing agency after serving. Michelle's story is a perfect example of how military training can translate into business acumen. Her agency has helped countless businesses grow their online presence, and she continues to be a role model for other veterans looking to enter the digital marketing space. These veterans took their skills, their passion, and their drive and turned them into digital empires. They have shown that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. Their success is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of never giving up on your dreams. They are proof that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Their journeys are filled with challenges and triumphs, but through it all, they have remained steadfast in their pursuit of success. They have not only built businesses, but have also created communities and networks that support and uplift other veterans. Their stories are inspiring, but they're not unique. There are countless other veterans who have made similar transitions, each with their own unique path and story. These individuals have shown that the skills learned in the military can be a powerful foundation for success in the digital world. Every day, more veterans are joining the ranks of digital marketing success. They are leveraging their unique experiences and perspectives to create innovative solutions and drive change in the digital landscape. Their contributions are making a significant impact, and their success stories continue to inspire others to follow in their footsteps. You can be one of them. If you are a veteran looking to make a mark in the digital world, know that you have the skills and the potential to succeed. The journey may be challenging, but with determination and the right support, you can achieve your goals and become a digital superstar. Section 9. Take action now. This is your moment, your opportunity to step into the digital world and make a mark. The journey may seem daunting, but every great adventure starts with a single step. Your digital journey starts today. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. The digital landscape is vast and full of opportunities waiting to be seized. You've got the skills, the drive, and the support system to crush it in digital marketing. Your experience, discipline, and resilience are your greatest assets. But here's the secret. It all starts with action. Taking that first step is crucial. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There isn't one. The perfect moment is a myth. The best time to start is now. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to experiment. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. The digital world rewards those who hustle. It's a space where effort and innovation are recognized and rewarded. So what are you waiting for? Take that online course. Build that website. These actions are the building blocks of your digital future. Share your story on social media. Your journey, your experiences, and your insights can inspire others. The future of digital marketing is waiting for you. Go get it. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and keep pushing forward. Your digital success story starts now.